Assalamu alaikum my dear students. How are you everyone? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 students. Dear students, our today's topic is chapter 2. And let's see today's topic from here. Our today's topic is chapter 2 and the name of this chapter is our senses. Our senses. And this is lecture number 3. And I will give you SW. Our today's SW number will be 2 number SW. So dear student, let's study. You can see here is the chapter 2, our senses, and this is your science book. This is your science book, and our today's topic is here, page number 7. This is page number 7. Today we will read this chapter, our senses. You can see here is the first picture. This is eye. This is eye. Eye, we see things around us. We see things around us with our eyes. We see things around us. And here is nose. Nose. We smell good and bad things or food. We smell good and bad things or food by our nose. And here is another picture, skin. We feel heat, cold, hardness, softness with our skin. We feel heat, cold, hardness, softness with our skin. And here is a ear. We hear sounds, music, voices, etc. with our ear. Here we hear sounds, music, voices, etc. with our ears. And here is a picture of tongue. Tongue. We taste sweet, sour, salty and bitter with our tongue. Tongue. We taste sweet, sour, salty and bitter with our tongue. And students, here is the next page, page number 8. From this page, here is the exercise. Today we will do this. You can see, circle the correct picture for each sense. Circle the correct picture for each sense. Here is written, what do we smell with our nose? From these 3 pictures, what will be the correct? What do we smell with our nose? Here is a picture of rose. We can smell it with our nose. So we will circle this picture. And next one, what do we see? What do we see with our eyes? What do we see with our eyes? We see things around us or any objects, but from these 3 pictures, this is the most relevant. This is television. We will circle this television. We watch television with our eyes. Now next picture. What do we feel with our skin? What do we feel with our skin? Among these three pictures, here is, you can see, here is the color picture on your book. You can see he is feeling cold. What do we feel with our skin? He is feeling cold. That means this will be our answer. We will circle this. Next one. What do we hear with our ear? What do we hear? We hear with our ear. Among these three pictures, here is a picture of musical instruments. So, we can hear music with our ear. So, we will circle this instrument. This is correct. And now, last one. What do we taste with our tongue? What do we taste with our tongue? Among these three pictures, here's some foods. So, it will be the answer. We will circle this food. Okay, we taste food with our tongue. So, this is the correct one. Now, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Go to next page. Page number 9. Page number 9. Here is some fill in the blanks. Today we will do this fill in the blanks. One number is we taste with our dash. Answer is tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. We taste with our tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Tongue spelling T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. We taste with our tongue. 2 number fill in the blanks is we see with our dash. We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. Eyes spelling E-Y-E-S, eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. 3 number fill in the blanks. We smell with our dash. Answer is nose. We smell with our nose. N-O-S-E. Nose spelling N-O-S-E. Nose. We smell with our nose. 4 number fill in the blanks. We hear with our dash. Answer is here ears. We hear with our ears. Ears spelling E-A-R-S, ears. E-A-R-S, ears. We hear with our ears. 5 number fill in the blanks. We fill with our dash. Answer is skin. Answer is skin. We fill with our skin. Skin spelling S-K-I-N, skin. S-K-I-N, skin. We fill with our skin. So dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Now SW. I will give you SW. You have to do some SW. Our today's SW number is 2 number SW. And your SW will be this fill in the blanks. Your SW is fill in the blanks. We have done today total 5 fill in the blanks. It will be your SW. You can see we have done total 5 SW. 5 fill in the blanks. And these 5 fill in the blanks will be your SW. And remember that when you will do your SW, please write down SW number and date, submission date on top of your SW copy, like this. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.